Hello again. Today we have Lenovo ThinkPad P71. Customer dropped coffee in the screen, in the keyboard, and some keys are not working anymore. So we are going to change the keyboard for him. So we'll go step by step. First of all, we need to remove the battery, and then we need to lose this screw. It's a long one. There are, I think, 2 or 3 here as well. We will remove this bottom cover. Yeah, see this one here. This one is long too. One more here. Yeah, no anymore. There are 2 connections here, one for the keyboard and the other one for the backlight, keyboard backlight. If you have laptop and you are looking for a screen replacement, keyboard replacement, liquid damage, motherboard issue, you want to upgrade your SSD or your RAM, please bring it to Maple Cell Phone and Laptop Repairs in Richmond Hill, Ontario. You can visit our website maplelaptopservices.com, or you can give us a call 416-587-7105. So now keyboard inserted. This is a ThinkPad P71. We'll put the screws back. Yes, I'm coming. So we will test it. I need wood All the keys working. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe it, and share it with someone they need laptop repairs. Thank you so much. Bye.